Looking to take your business to the next level, but don't have the funds you need to get there? Welcome to CreditEureka. At CreditEureka, we provide credit to companies like yours to increase their international and domestic sales, profitability, and working capital financing. Better still, with CreditEureka, companies and banks get more high-quality credit faster and for less cost. Way less cost. How do we manage it? It's simple. We provide companies and banks with access to more suppliers and products than they can get for themselves. We're unique. We specialize in credit. With CreditEureka, companies get to take out credit from over 30 giant, investment-grade credit markets worldwide, where credit is available on millions upon millions of companies, when normally companies would only get access to one. We like to think of CreditEureka as the Amazon of credit, without the ugly Christmas sweater. And bonus, in addition to access, for companies, CreditEureka means control of the credit and the price. Basically, we're leveraging our network so you don't have to. CreditEureka, where companies go for extra credit. How can we help? Apply now to find out.